Hey guys, I had an incredible time on board. Well, as I'm back right now, let me take you to the journey, regarding how was my tenure on board, what are the challenges which I faced, what are the challenges of a deck cadet, and how's the schedule of a deck cadet, how are things on board. And I even want to tell you that safety is very important while you work on a vessel because I even met with an accident during my tenure. So let's talk about it. So my journey started from Paranagua, Brazil, and after that I visited many different countries. So without wasting any time, let me take you to that, which you'll be seeing in the next shot.
Right now we are in Egypt, and you can see there are a few people who have brought the entire stuffs on ship which we can buy from, and this is the entire alleyway which they have actually made a market right now.
So a schedule of a deck cadet, that is one of the biggest questions. आप लोगों को mostly rough idea होता है हर किसी को, but I would tell you about my schedule. मेरा schedule कैसा था? So first of all, you should know कि पूरा schedule जो होता है that depends upon the chief officer. He plans your entire schedule. So जो मेरा schedule था, I used to wake up at 3:30 a.m. in the morning because I had a watch at 4 o'clock on bridge with chief officer. So I used to wake up at 3:30, get ready, freshen up, and report every time 5 to 10 minutes before. So maybe at around 3:50 or 3:55, I used to report at bridge. Be there for 2 hours. From 4 o'clock till 6 o'clock, I used to be there. Then I used to go for sounding of all the freshwater tanks. Because as a deck cadet, you have a responsibility being given from the chief officer. You have to take sounding of the freshwater tanks. So I used to update it in bridge and the ship's office. So it has consumption and production of the fresh water which is on board. After that मुझे chief officer daily task बताते थे कि मेरे दिन भर में आगे का क्या task रहेगा, what I have to do and what he has planned for me. Then after that I used to go to have my breakfast from 7 o'clock till 8 o'clock. We have this 1 hour of having breakfast. From 8 o'clock till 3:30 or 3 o'clock of the afternoon, I used to be on deck. So I used to be on deck with bosun. I used to take sounding of all the ballast tanks, all the CWBT tanks, 4-pig tanks, like all the ballast tanks, or whatever the other work which chief officer has given to me. And In between this, मेरा बीच में 2 टी ब्रेक्स मिलते थे. That was from 10 to 10:30, and from 12 o'clock till 1 o'clock I used to have my lunch break, and from 3 to 3:30 another tea break. At around 3 o'clock I used to knock off. Knock off in terms of shipping, it means that I used to get rest from the chief officer. I used to get back to my cabin, rest for a while. But during that time, I used to complete my DLP or study a little bit. And sometimes I used to watch movies. I won't lie. Because on board now, you should have your movies, because the schedule is so tight and so hectic at times. You should have something to divert your mind with. So during that off or rest time, I used to watch some movies in between. And then again, I used to go to have my dinner from 6 o'clock to 6:15. And after 6:15, I used to report at bridge, again in my uniform. And there I used to be for 1.5 hours again, जहाँ पे मैं अपना DLP करता था. Because my chief officer always asked me कि ये जो time है तुम्हारा, you should invest into completing your DLPs and asking questions, which was a very amazing thing. So मैं ये time पे अपना DLPs complete करता था, और कुछ भी questions रहे, कुछ भी doubts रहे, I used to ask with my chief officer. And then after 8 o'clock, I used to knock off, get back to my cabin and rest a little bit, and after I will sleep. Now, communication and internet availability on board. Well, yes, communication and internet availability, I would like to tell you about this. कि मेरे कंपनी ने मुझे per month 500 MB मिलता था. And other than that, if you exhaust your entire 500 MB, so you have to get or buy more data. With for $10, I used to get 200 MBs extra data. So yes, communication on board, I would say कि the only way you can communicate with your family is due to WhatsApp calls or WhatsApp voice notes. So it used to suffice for me. And to be very honest, 500 MB काफ़ी कम लगता है, but as a cadet तुम्हारे पास time नहीं होता है to even use the internet, because आपका schedule इतना ज़्यादा packed है. So 500 mostly is enough for you. And other than that, as you enter ports, जैसे मैं ब्राज़ील, अर्जेंटीना यहाँ गया था तो, और even Russia, we used to buy SIM cards, cost us for about $10 to $20, and just to give us for like 16 GB of data or sometimes 20 GB of data. Now, safety culture. So you should be working in a very 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 safe environment of ship. कहीं भी कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो तो पहले अपना अराउंड किसी और से पूछ लो, बिकॉज आपसे ज़्यादा इफ यू आर जॉइनिंग शिप फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, एवरी अदर पर्सन इज वेरी 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 वेल एक्सपीरियंस्ड, मोर देन एक्सपीरियंस्ड. So ask your boss, ask any other officer, anyone who's around you, कि ये safe है क्या? Shall I go for it? And chief officer will never send you for a risky task. Very very careful to work on board, because you have to maintain a safe environment. And safety is a priority for a seafarer, a very important priority for a seafarer. And here, despite I fell down on vessel, I injured my hand, but the supportiveness of the office, the supportiveness of the crew around me, it was very amazing. So I thank them all for this. So don't be worried like how things are going to be, if you're gonna fall down, if you're gonna fall sick. Office looks after things. If you are sailing with a good reputed company, they will always look after your health. And I would like to thank Bernard Schulte Management, because they actually took care of me in a very 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 good manner. So I'll be joining back soon, as my condition is a bit okay now. I feel good. It will take some time to recover completely, but I'm pretty sure that my situation is going to be okay really soon. And I will be coming back to you with more amusing content on the schedule of a deck cadet on board in a more visualizing manner, where I'll be shooting the entire schedule, because as this I was not able to do it. And I will be dropping my Instagram handle right here, so you can always text me on Instagram regarding your queries, regarding any questions which you have, and you can always drop me a DM over there. I always try to answer as much as I can. I got plenty of DMs from you guys and tried to attend each and every one of them. So I'll try to help you guys as well. And well, that's it. So until next time.